Next lecture on elements of group 16, 17 and 18. In this lecture we will discuss about chlorine and compounds of chlorine. So chlorine, ये जो क्लोरीन है, क्लोरीन was discovered by Scheele and ये जो क्लोरीन है it is derived from Greek word chlorus, it means greenish yellow. देन इसका प्रिपरेशन, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़, यूजेस, ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी विल डिस्कस. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज़ प्रिपरेशन. क्लोरीन कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड बाय ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ HCl with any of following oxidizing agents: manganese dioxide, potassium permanganate, these are oxidizing agents. So manganese dioxide MnO2 will react with HCl and there is a formation of MnCl2 H2O along with chlorine. Second is potassium permanganate KMnO4, it reacts with HCl and there is a formation of KCl MnCl2 H2O along with Cl2. Then chlorine can also be prepared by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid on a mixture of sodium chloride and manganese dioxide, and the reaction takes place in 2 steps. These 2 steps are there. अब ये जब इन 2 steps को हम यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे then we will get the net reaction. इसमें NaCl का रिएक्शन होगा MnO2 के साथ, H2SO4 के साथ, and there is a formation of all these byproducts along with chlorine. Next is manufacture of chlorine. First is Deacons process, preparation of chlorine on large scale या manufacturing process. So first is Deacons process. Chlorine is manufactured by the oxidation of hydrogen chloride gas by atmospheric oxygen in presence of CuCl2 as catalyst at 723 Kelvin temperature. HCl का combination ऑक्सीजन के साथ atmospheric oxygen in presence of CuCl2, it is used as a catalyst. There is a formation of chlorine along with H2O molecule. Second process is electrolytic process by electrolysis of brine. Brine means concentrated NaCl solution. Aqueous solution रहेगा NaCl का, it is in concentrated form and chlorine is liberated at anode. NaCl यहाँ पे इसके जो आयन्स हैं Na प्लस आयन और Cl माइनस आयन, जो कैथोड पे रिएक्शन है H2O, 2H2O plus 2 electrons gives H2 plus 2 OH minus. इस Na प्लस का कॉम्बिनेशन OH माइनस के साथ होगा, देयर इज़ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ NaOH. देन at anode oxidation reaction takes place, Cl minus gives Cl by losing 1 electron. Then one Cl chlorine atom will combine with another chlorine atom and there is a formation of chlorine. Next है physical properties of chlorine. Chlorine is a greenish yellow gas having pungent and suffocating odor. It is poisonous in nature. It can be easily liquefied. It can be easily liquefied रहेगा into a greenish yellow liquid which boils at 298 Kelvin. It dissolves in water to give chlorine water. It is 2 to 5 times heavier than air. So all these are different physical properties of chlorine. 2 mark का question, you have to write any 4 points. Next is chemical properties of chlorine. First is reaction with metals. When chlorine reacts with metal, there is formation of corresponding chlorides. metals के साथ जब रिएक्शन होगा corresponding chlorides यहाँ पे बनेंगे. एल्यूमिनियम, सोडियम, आयरन, corresponding chlorides are formed. Reaction with non metals, जब non metals के साथ रिएक्शन होगा at that time also corresponding chlorides are formed. Next is affinity for hydrogen. Chlorine has great affinity for hydrogen and it reacts with hydrogen and compounds containing hydrogen to form HCl molecule. H2 plus Cl2, there is a formation of HCl molecule. Compound containing hydrogen, for example H2S plus Cl2, it is HCl and sulfur. So it is the reaction for affinity for hydrogen. Next reaction is reaction with ammonia. अब chlorine when treated with excess of ammonia, there is formation of ammonium chloride and nitrogen, and when excess of chlorine is reacted with ammonia, there is a formation of nitrogen trichloride which is explosive along with HCl molecule. Next reaction is reaction with metals. Reaction with alkali. Chlorine reacts with cold and dilute alkali. कोल्ड एंड डाइल्यूट अल्कली NaOH का जब हम एक्वियस सोल्यूशन लेंगे दैट इज़ नोन एज अल्कली. बेस का एक्वियस सोल्यूशन इट इज़ नोन एज अल्कली, एंड देयर इज़ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मिक्सचर ऑफ क्लोराइड एंड हाइपोक्लोराइड. क्लोराइड मिलेगा सोडियम क्लोराइड और यहाँ पे सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइड, ये पे मिक्सचर हमको मिलेगा व्हेन क्लोरीन रिएक्ट्स विथ कोल्ड एंड डाइल्यूट cold and dilute NaOH molecule, and when chlorine is treated with hot and concentrated alkali, chloride and chlorate are produced. Chloride NaCl, ये है सोडियम क्लोरेट, these two are formed. यहाँ पे इन दोनों में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है, you have to remember this difference, and it is the H2O molecule. Now it is the slaked lime CaOH twice. CaO को जब हम वाटर के साथ मिक्स करेंगे एट दैट टाइम वी विल गेट स्लेक्ड लाइम. इसका रिएक्शन होगा Cl2 के साथ, एंड देयर इज़ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर. ब्लीचिंग पाउडर का फॉर्मूला CaOCl ट्वाइस या CaO2Cl2 अलॉन्ग विथ CaCl2 and H2O. Next reaction is reaction with hydrocarbons. It is the methane. It can react with Cl2 in presence of ultraviolet light, and there is formation of methyl chloride along with HCl molecule. Substitution reaction takes place here. It is ethene. It can react with Cl2 and there is formation of addition product. It is addition reaction, and this product is 1,2-dichloroethane. Next है reaction oxidizing property. Chlorine oxidizes ferrous salts to ferric salts and sulfides to sulfates. ये है ferrous sulfate. इसका रिएक्शन होगा H2SO4 और Cl2 के साथ. There is a formation of ferric sulfate along with HCl molecule. It is sodium sulfite. Sodium sulfite is converted to sodium sulfate and it oxidizes sulfur dioxide. सल्फ़र डाइऑक्साइड को जब ऑक्सीडाइज करेगा देन यहाँ पे हमको मिलेगा सल्फ़र ट्राइऑक्साइड, एंड आयोडीन को जब यहाँ ऑक्सीडाइज करेगा यहाँ पे मिलेगा आयोडीन टू आयोडेट. आयोडीन से हमको आयोडेट मिलेगा. इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर दे फॉर्म सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एंड आयोडिक एसिड. It is all about the oxidizing property of chlorine. SO2 का रिएक्शन H2O के साथ इन प्रेजेंस एंड Cl2 के साथ there is a formation of sulfuric acid along with HCl molecule. ये आयोडीन है. अब आयोडीन का कॉम्बिनेशन H2O और Cl2 के साथ there is a formation of iodic acid along with HCl molecule. यहाँ पे पहले सल्फ़र डाइऑक्साइड इज़ कन्वर्टेड टू सल्फ़र ट्राइऑक्साइड और आयोडीन इज़ कन्वर्टेड टू आयोडेट, और फिर वाटर के प्रेजेंस में सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड बनेगा और आयोडिक एसिड बनेगा. नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन इज़ नेक्स्ट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी इज़ ब्लीचिंग प्रॉपर्टी. क्लोरीन रिक्वायर्स द प्रेजेंस ऑफ मॉइस्चर फॉर ब्लीचिंग. इट लिबरेट्स nascent oxygen from water which is responsible for its oxidizing and bleaching property. क्लोरीन का रिएक्शन जब H2O के साथ होगा, देयर इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ HCl एंड हाइपोक्लोरस एसिड. हाइपोक्लोरस एसिड will give nascent oxygen. Then chlorine bleaches vegetable matter or colored organic matter in presence of moisture to colorless matter. ये जो कंपाउंड रहेगा ये nascent ऑक्सीजन देगा and it is responsible for bleaching of colored organic matter to colorless organic matter. Then uses. Chlorine is used in all these purposes. Chlorine is used for all these purposes. So there are 5 uses. यहाँ पे 5 uses दिए हुए हैं. 2 मार्क के क्वेश्चन में you have to write 4 points और 1 मार्क के क्वेश्चन में you have to write 2 points. Next compound of chlorine is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride was prepared by Glauber by heating common salt with concentrated sulfuric acid. And बाद में ये ऐसा डिस्कवर किया, ये ऐसा सजेशन दिया डेवी ने कि इट इज़ अ कंपाउंड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड क्लोरीन. सो फर्स्ट इज़ द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ क्लोरीन and it is the laboratory method of preparation. Hydrogen chloride is prepared by heating sodium chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid. Sodium chloride, it is common salt. Concentrated sulfuric acid के साथ कॉम्बिनेशन होकर यहाँ पे मिलेगा सोडियम हाइड्रोजन सल्फेट. देन यहाँ पे अगेन इट विल रिएक्ट विथ NaCl molecule and there is formation of HCl molecule. HCl gas can be dried by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. जो sulfuric acid है it will absorb moisture and at that time this HCl will obtain in dried form. Now next है physical properties of HCl. All these are physical properties of HCl. इसमें smell दिया है, melting point दिया है, boiling point दिया है and its solubility is given. Next is chemical property. First is acidic property. HCl is highly soluble in water and ionizes like this. HCl का ionization इस तरह होगा, H3O plus मिलेगा और Cl minus. Actual में H plus ion is combined with H2O molecule that is known as hydrated hydrogen. It is known as hydronium ion. Free existence of H plus ion is not possible. Therefore here H3O plus is written. The aqueous solution of HCl gas is called hydrochloric acid and high value of dissociation constant which is 10⁻⁷ indicates that it is a strong acid in water. Next reaction is reaction with NH3. NH3 का कॉम्बिनेशन HCl के साथ होगा. देयर इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वाइट फ्यूम्स ऑफ NH4Cl मॉलिक्यूल्स. नेक्स्ट इज रिएक्शन विथ नोबल मेटल्स. नोबल मेटल्स में यहाँ पे हम लेंगे गोल्ड और प्लेटिनम. व्हेन 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3 are mixed, aqua regia is formed and noble metals like gold, platinum get dissolved in aqua regia and it is the reaction for dissolution process. ये gold dissolve होगा. all these are byproducts, all these are products और यहाँ प्लेटिनम के डिसोल्यूशन का ये ऐसा प्रोसेस रहेगा. एक्वा रेगिया किसका कॉम्बिनेशन? 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3. This mixture is known as aqua regia. Thank you.